Presence of the jury. Question for counsel, just in the interest of saving the time to read the verdict. Can the clerk only read the call to the question? For example, for number one, did plaintiff Emani Ellis prove all the following elements of battery, and then yes or no, rather than reading the entirety?
That's fine with us, Your Honor.
I would like the entirety, I'm sorry.
Any particular reason? It's not going to change the answer.
Well, I feel like she verdict form was not
Okay.
the right type of form.
Okay. We're now joined by the members of our jury and alternate. And who is the foreperson? Do we have a foreperson? Number three? And have you reached a verdict?
Yes.
Can you hand the verdict to the clerk, please? All right, can the clerk please read the verdict?
Superior Court of the State of California for the County of Los Angeles, Emani Ellis, plaintiff, versus Belcalis Alamanzar, Cardi B, dose 1 through 50, inclusive defendant. Case number 20 STCV 07031. Verdict. We, the jury, in the above entitled case, answer the questions submitted to us as follows. Section A, assault and battery. Question 1, did plaintiff Emani Ellis prove all of the following elements of battery? 1, defendant Belcalis Alamanzar, Ms. Alamanzar, touched Ms. Ellis in the intent to harm or offend Ms. Ellis. Number 2, Ms. Ellis did not consent to being touched. Number 3, Superior Court of the State of California for the County of Los Angeles, Emani Ellis, plaintiff, versus Belcalis Alamanzar, Cardi B, dose 1 through 50, inclusive defendant. Case number 20 STCV 07031. Verdict. We, the jury, in the above entitled case, answer the questions submitted to us as follows. Section A, assault and battery. Question 1, did plaintiff Emani Ellis prove all of the following elements of battery? 1, defendant Belcalis Alamanzar, Ms. Alamanzar, touched Ms. Ellis in the intent to harm or offend Ms. Ellis. Number 2, Ms. Ellis did not consent to being touched. Number 3, Ms. Ellis was harmed or offended by Ms. Alamanzar's conduct. And 4, a reasonable person in Ms. Ellis' situation would have been offended by the touching. Answer, no. Question 2, did Ms. Ellis prove all of the following elements of assault? Number 1, Ms. Alamanzar acted with the intent to cause harmful or offensive contact with Ms. Ellis. Number 2, Ms. Ellis reasonably believed that she was about to be touched in a harmful or an offensive manner. Number 3, Ms. Ellis did not consent to Ms. Alamanzar's conduct. Number 4, Ms. Ellis was harmed. And number 5, Ms. Alamanzar's conduct was a substantial factor in causing Ms. Ellis's harm. Answer, no. Section B, intentional infliction of emotional distress. Question 5, did Ms. Ellis prove all of the following elements of intentional infliction of emotional distress? 1, Ms. Alamanzar engaged in extreme and outrageous conduct beyond mere insults, threats, indignities, annoyances, hurt feelings, or other trivialities that a reasonable person is expected to endure. 2, Ms. Almanzar intended to cause Ms. Ellis emotional distress. Number 3, Ms. Ellis suffered severe emotional distress. And number 4, Ms. Almanzar's extreme and outrageous conduct was a substantial factor in causing Ms. Ellis to suffer severe emotional distress. Answer, no. Section C, negligence and contributory negligence. Number 8, did Ms. Ellis prove all of the following elements of negligence? Number 1, Ms. Almanzar was negligent. Number 2, Ms. Almanzar's negligence caused Ms. Ellis to suffer physical harm rather than only emotional distress. And 3, Ms. Almanzar's negligence was a substantial factor in causing Ms. Ellis's harm. Answer, no. Section D, punitive damages. Question 12, did you answer question 4 and 7? Answer, no. Signed this date, September 2nd, 2025, by board-person George Uloa, number 3.
All right, is it in Mr. Chipolodry?
No, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let me ask the foreman, was it unanimous as to all the questions?
Yes.
All right, so the question that the clerk is going to be asking is, was it unanimous as to all questions?
Question 1,
Or just all questions?
as to all questions?
Was it
Yes.
unanimous?
Was it unanimous?
Yes.
And then go through each of the jurors. Was it unanimous?
Was it unanimous, juror number 1?
Yes.
Number 2?
Yes.
Number 3?
Yes.
Number 4?
Yes.
Number 5?
Yes.
Number 6?
Yes.
Number 7?
Yes.
Number 8?
Yes.
Number 9?
Yes.
Number 10?
Yes.
11?
Yes.
And 12.
Yes.
All right, sounds like it was a unanimous verdict as to all questions. Can the clerk please record the verdict?
The verdict has been recorded, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your time and dedication to this case. I know that you've paid a great deal of attention throughout the matter, which was especially evidenced by the questions that you did submit. I want to thank you for that time and attention on behalf of myself, the parties, the court system, as well as the people of California. As I indicated before, this system does not work unless people like you are able and willing to serve, and so I want to thank you once again. Throughout the trial, I have admonished you that you could not discuss the case with anyone, including other jurors, and at this point in time, I am relieving you from the admonition. You can speak with anyone about the case from this time forward. I suspect that there's going to be not only the parties that will want to speak with you, but I suspect also the members of the press are going to want to speak with you. And so I'm going to tell you this, I'm telling the members of the media this, and I'm telling the parties and their assistants that it's up to you whether or not you want to speak with anyone. If you don't want to speak with anyone, then you can just head right out the double doors, out the elevators. If there's press outside that want to speak with you, you can just walk past them. Don't let them stop you. If you do want to speak with them, then go ahead and you can wait outside the double doors. We're not going to be speaking with anyone in the courtroom. And if you do speak with someone, please be respectful of the views of any of your other jurors in terms of the deliberations. You can speak with respect to your point of view and how you saw the case. And the other admonition or the other issue with respect to speaking with people is that it's got to be at a reasonable time and place. And so if people start bothering you, or if people reach out to you that's inconvenient for you and they continue to do so, let me know and I'll take care of it, okay? All right. With that, once again, I want to thank you. You are now dismissed.